Hello everyone, this is Shani Kumar Gupta. Welcome to all of your online YouTube class. And my dear students, today I am going to teach you of chapter name exponent. My dear student, before classes we have discussed about our exponent and how to find the exponent, exponential form. Okay, and today we have discussed about our law of exponent. So my dear students, firstly you take your copy and write down on your copy what on the law of exponent. Okay, so firstly you write down on your copy. Next we have start our this class. Okay, so that's the law of exponent. My dear student, before starting the exercise, firstly you understand about law of exponent. So how to solve the any type of exponent. Okay, so firstly you see what is the law, how to solve them, example how to solve that type of questions. Okay, so firstly my dear student, you see first a by b upon power a by b power a by b power m into a by b power n. So how to solve it? My dear student, if any question come in that form, a by b ka power m and a by b upon power n. So how to solve? That's so firstly you take a by b plus power in add. So if both form are same, it means numerator and denominators are same, and that's the firstly you add the power. It means if any question come in that form, a by b power m and next a by b power n. So firstly you add the both power and multiply with that number. Okay, and next says if m is greater than m, if m is greater than m, then a by b power m. If m is greater than n, then a by b power m divide a by b power n. So if any type of question come in divide form, just like a by b power m divide a by b power n. So how to solve it? You firstly convert in that format, a by b power m minus n. M minus n, it means if m is greater than m, then you write m minus n. Okay, and then next question, just like if m is less than n, if m is less than m, then how to solve it? That's a by b power m divide a by b power n. So how to solve it? That's the form of that's here. It means 1 by a by b minus n minus n. That's the format. So if any question come in that a by b power m, next here a by b power n divide. Okay, so first a by b power m and next bata a by b power n. Okay, next here a 1 divide a by b power n minus n minus n. Okay, so next here if any in questions in more than brackets, small brackets, large brackets. Okay, so next here 1 by b, a by b upon power m power n. So how to solve it? That's here only a by b into if any question come in that format, even more than powers available, so then you multiply with all powers, just like here a by b power m into m. Okay, next here a by b power minus n. If any question coming minus form, if any question coming minus format, how to solve it? It means b by a power n. My dear student, when you solve the question of reciprocal, how to solve? So firstly you convert that number, if just like 1 by b, sorry, a by b, then you converting b by a. Okay, and next if any question come with minus, then you convert it plus, just like here if that's your question a by b form of minus power minus n, then you converting b by a power n, that's your code. And next here if any question, if any type of question that's a power is 0, your answer is 1. Okay, and next here a by b a by b power minus 1. If any type of question come in minus 1 format, then you convert in that number b by a. That's your format. So my dear student, that's both are, it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a 7 law of exponent. 7 law of exponent. If you understand about that law of exponent, then you have no any problem for any type of question. So my dear student, in this period, in this question, in this chapter, more than questions come. Just like first question come in how to convert the exponential form, just like write the question of exponential form. Just like here you see in this period so many questions are arise in your, just like 15 15 15 says how to convert in a power form, how to convert in power. Just like here you write only 15, 1 2 3, that's your 15, that's your answer. Okay, so my dear student, in this period more than different types of questions create. So firstly you write the all law of exponent, then we have discussed about its topics one by one. So firstly write down. Okay, I also write some question example, just like here minus 3 by 4 upon power here, and minus 3 by 4 upon power 3. So how to solve it? How to solve? So my dear student, firstly you see which format that. Just like here a by b power, a by b power, both are same. Okay, next here what is a by b into power m plus n, m plus n. So that's like here you write minus 3 by 4 minus you also write here minus 3 by 4, and that's the 2 plus 3, that's the 2 plus 3, and your answer is minus 3 by 4 power 3 to 5. That's your answer. That's your answer. Okay, and next format, next question, just like I also write on the board some example of it that's related your chapter. Okay, that's the same format flow. So just like you write 2 by 3 and 2 plus 4 is equal to 2 by 3 by 4 to 6. That's your answer. So if you remember, if you understand about that some topics, if you understand about that some topic, then you have no any problem in any question. No any problem in any question. Okay, so I also write another question. You also go in description and write some question. I also write some question. You solve the all example with the help of law of exponent. Law of exponent. So how to solve in this period, how to solve the question of exponent, you also complete. So firstly you write down in your copy, then so many questions available in that your chapter. Okay. Okay, so you also see here some questions, just like here how to solve minus 4 here 4 power minus 3 and 1 by 2 power minus 3. How to solve? Okay, so you see here firstly a by b power minus a by b power minus n. Then you convert it b by a power n. So firstly just like here, when you start solution, you take here 4 by 1 power minus 1. 4 by 1 power minus 1. Okay, so when you start the solution of that number, firstly you convert it that format. It means 1 by 4 power 3. Is that clear? Okay, so next step 1 power 3 and next 4 power 3. So 1 and 4 4 just 16 and 16 just like here 1 multiply 1 multiply 1. Okay, next here 4 4 and next. Okay, so 1 and next here 4 4 just 16 and 16 3 ja 16 4 ja 64, and that's your answer. 64. That's your answer. So firstly you convert in any type, if any format, if any question come in that question format. Okay, so firstly you convert in answers format, solution format. Okay, and next here minus 1, sorry, 1 by 2, you see here 1 by 2 power minus 4, 1 by 2 power minus 4, it means a by b power minus. So firstly you convert in that form, it means 2 by 1 power 4, 2 by 1 power 4, then you convert in number, just like here 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, and next here 1 multiply 1 multiply 1, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, so 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 by 1, that's your answer. So that's a 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 power 1 by 2 power 4. So that's your answer. Okay, so my dear student, in different types of question come, just like here you see, if any question you just like 1 by 2 power 0, so what is your answer? Equal to 1 answer. That's your answer is 1. And next here, if any question will come that form, just like 4 by 3 power minus 2, 4 by 3 power minus 2. So how to solve it? How to solve? So just like firstly you convert in that form. Firstly you convert in that form, it means b by a, b by a, b by, and then power is 1, just like here power 1, it means 4 by 3 power 1. If any type of question power 1, then you convert in that form, b by a. So what is your b? 3 by 4. That's your answer. So my dear student, that's the format of your law of exponent. So firstly write down in your copy. Next we have discussed about our next topic. Perfect. Okay, so our next topic, expressing large number in a standard form. My dear student, you also know when you class 5th class, 4th class, so you need a standard form and expanded form. Okay, so how to write the expanded form and how to write the so just like here, first expressing the standard form. A standard form means just like here you power, just like you converting the power, just like you read firstly a number is said to be a standard form, and if it can be expressed as k into 10 power n, k into 10 power n. Okay, where k is a real number such that k is greater than 1 is great k is greater than equal than 1 and greater than 10, and n is a positive, n is a positive integer. Here n is a positive integer, just like here firstly you see question, 2 7 0 5 6 5 9, that's the question. So how to convert in a standard form and with the power? Okay, so my dear, firstly you count the all digit, and less only one digit, less one digit, that's the power of 10 power that number, and after one digit you use the points. So you see here, just like here 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit, there are 6 digit. So firstly you use the after one digit point, so you use the point. Next, how many digit left after that point? After point 1 2 3 4 5, that's the multiple of 10 to the power that number. It means 1 2 3 4 5 multiple of 10 upon power 5. That's the standard form. That's the standard form of the question. And next here, just like here, if some questions come in that form, how to convert it? How to convert in form? So firstly, you take 6.2 add. So firstly, you read see 6. So you write here 6, just like you 6. Okay. And next, how many digit left? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here Power, how what is the power of 10? 6. So you write after that, after point you use how many digit? 6 digit. Then you write 6.2 at 2 at 0 0 0 0. That's your number. That's your answer. Okay. And next here, when you write in that question, if any question in that form, so firstly you convert in power, and after one digit you use point, and next how many digit left after point, that's the power of 10. That's the digit power of 10. So that's your answer. Is that clear? And next here, numbers in expanded form. My dear students, when you read in 5th class, 6th class, first point extended form, next as expanded form. How to write the expanded form? How to write the expanded? So firstly, you see one question. When you read in class 4, 6, just like ones, tens, thousand, hundred, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. Okay, so one digit ones, 2 digit 10, 3 digits 100, 4 digit 1000, 5 digit 10,000. So that's the number format. So firstly you read that number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what I say before, what I say in extender form, firstly you count the number, then you count the number. Next, after one digit you use point. 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 It means you take here, and how many digit left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. That's the multiple. And how many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the 10 to the power of 6. Okay, so 8. 8, after 8 you multiply with 10 to the power 6. Next here, next digit 6. And how many digit left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you 6 multiply power 10 power of 5. Next here you count next digit 4. 10 power of 4. Next here 4 power of 3. It means how many digit left after 4? 3 digit. And next here 2 digit. And next here 0. 1 digit. So that's your answer of expanded form. If any question in come in that format, write the expanded form. So how do you write? Firstly you read the all number, and first digit you multiply with last left digit of 10 to the power. Okay, that's your form. And next point is square root. My dear student, in that chapter we have discussed about some square root. How to write, how to solve the square root. That's here, right? The square root, use the square root of number is a. Number is a denoted by root under a. Denoted by a. It means if you have number 1 and that's denoted by root under 1, root under a, that's the square root. Okay. Next, in exponential form of root under a is write as a power of 1 by 2. A power of 1 by 2, and that's the method how to convert, how to make that type of question. So firstly you see, in order to find root under a, expresses a as product of primes. That's the product of primes. Root under a, product of primes. Okay, and take the product of all primes choosing r out of every pair. It means firstly you write their product, and next you choose the prime product. Next you choose the prime product, and that's your square root. Okay, so you also see one example. If any question come in that format, 2 by 2, 2 multiply 2, how that's a, what is the number, what is the root of that number? 2 into 2. So firstly 2 into 2 is equal to 4, and that's you convert in root format. That's when you use the root, that's the root converting 2 into 2, and that's your answer. What is your answer? That's if any question come in root format, that's the 2 into 2. And if any two numbers here, two product, and that's the you find if two product, that's the one product in going outside. That's your answer. Okay, and next question coming, how to write the root form. What is the answer of root? Just like here it means 14 your answer. So how to write? So firstly you can write their product. So what is the product of 196? That's a 2 multiply 2, 7 multiply 7. Okay, and that's your here a root under. When you write in root under, that's the root under format, 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. That's a 1 here and 1 here. If two number available here, 2 into 2, that's the one you choose. Write here, and next in here also two digits. So you write here one digit also. 2 multiply 7, that's your 14. So are you understand about a square root, numbers in expanded form and numbers in large expanded form and extended form? Okay, so my dear student, in that chapter in exponent there are 3 points, 3 exercise in your book. If you have RS Agrawal book, if another book, so firstly you take your book and write some example. Firstly you see example, then you start your exercise complete. Okay, so you write down in your copy, and next day we have discussed about our next new class. So our third chapter, at least that's our exponent chapter, is complete. If you have any problem, then you also say what's your problem, and you also want to say me on WhatsApp what's your problem. Okay, my dear student, you stay home, save your life and continue your study. Okay, thank you.